Hello, I'm going to pick this American lock model 1100. This one has 6 pins in it because I put a 6th pin in it. I bought a big lot of these on eBay and I like to challenge myself a little bit. Let's see if we can't pop this open and we will get it apart and put it back together. Alright, that was not too bad. A few clicks and then I got a false set and only one pin was holding me up. So let's see what's going on the inside. This is probably going to be the most challenging part, taking off the C-clip, because why would that be easy? Oh, went alright this time. And one thing I like to do is push that core out just a little bit so I can rotate it so that tail piece is up against the Bible. Grab a follower, get that facing up, and we will pop that core right on out and see what we got. Looks like a lot of almost zero cuts in there, so that was probably why that didn't take so long. Let's drop them out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. All right, let's grab these driver pins out. Oh, all right. One is a very jumpy spool. Two serrated. Three serrated. 4 is serrated. 5 is serrated. And 6 is a spool, serrated spool. Drop those springs. Just get everything nice and organized. I will bring that up to the camera. Looks like we have all serrated serrated key pins, 2 spools, and 4 serrated driver pins. Let us put it back together. Start with the springs and driver pins. Now, I don't really know a better technique than this, so let us do this hopefully in a way that I don't regret. Start with that back one, 6. Just push that down with my tweezers. And move just push that up over that. Oh, I put the, well, the springs aren't in any order. Alright, next, you I think that goes that way. down. There we go. Boom. Go down. There we go. Oh, that would have been awkward. That was awkward. Still. Alright, I'm just trying to get you to go in. Alright, and one. Alright, let's get those key pins back into the core. There we go. Almost. Yes, there we go. Alright, and get that back together. Lock you up. Find my seat clip. Smack that bad boy back on. Now let's get the lock back together. Boom, boom. And there we go. And maybe we'll pop it open one more time just to make sure we didn't destroy the thing. There we go. Not bad. All right, that's all I have. Bye.